In Ohio, a family lost their golden retriever, Max, during a heavy snowstorm. They searched for days, posting flyers everywhere. The youngest daughter, Lily, cried every night, afraid Max would never come back. 3 days later, a UPS driver spotted a shivering dog sitting near a mailbox. He recognized the dog from a flyer and immediately placed him inside his warm truck. Max licked his face as if thanking him. The driver drove straight to the family's address and knocked on the door. When Lily saw Max, she screamed with joy and hugged him tight. The reunion video instantly went viral. Viewers across the U.S. praised the UPS driver for going above and beyond. For Lily, it wasn't just a delivery. It was the return of her best friend.